Hello students. In the last video, we have discussed one numerical problem on insurance claim. Here in this video, we are going to discuss another numerical problem on loss of stock policy. Problem: a fire occurred in the premises of Patil Traders on 20th October 2020. This is the date of fire. From the following particular, ascertain the loss of stock and prepare a claim for insurance applying average clause. See here, prepare a claim for insurance applying average clause. It means we have to prepare the step number 5 for average clause. Stock on 1st April 2090, rupees 30,600. This is the opening stock of previous year. Purchases from 1st April 2090 to 31st March 2020 and sales from 1st April 2090 to 31st March 2020. These are the purchases and sales of the previous year. Stock on 31st March 2020, rupees 27,000. This is the closing stock of previous year, also opening stock of current year. Purchases from 1st April 2020 to 19th October 2020 and sales from 1st April 2020 to 19th October 2020. These are the purchases and sales for the current year till the date of fire. The stock were always valued at cost of 90%. Stock always valued at 90% means we have to convert this amount of opening stock of previous year and closing stock of previous year into 100%. विद्यार्थ्यांनो की या ठिकाणी स्टॉक हा 90% कॉस्टने व्हॅल्युएशन करून दाखवला जातो असं आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे. याचा अर्थ हा गेल्या वर्षीचा ओपनिंग स्टॉक आणि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आपल्याला 90% दिलेला आहे, तो आपल्याला 100% कन्वर्ट करून घ्यावा लागेल. The stock saved was worth rupees 18,000. Salvage stock 18,000 and the policy amount was rupees 63,000, which we will use in step number 5 for average clause. See here in the corner, this is the snap of your question. For solving this problem, we have to go into the step number 1 for trading account for the year ended 31st March 2020. In step number 1, we prepare trading account for the previous year. First item, stock on 1st April 2090, rupees 30,600. This is the opening stock, so we will put here on the debit side to opening stock. Now valuation of stock. लक्षात घ्या की आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे की 90% कॉस्टने दाखवलेला आहे. आता हा 90%चा स्टॉक किती आहे? 30,600. तो आपल्याला 100%मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे. म्हणून या ठिकाणी आपण काय करतोय? वर्किंग नोट. कोणती? पहा, सपोज कॉस्ट प्राइस 100, हेन्स स्टॉक व्हॅल्यूड 90. सपोज आपण कॉस्ट प्राइस 100 गृहीत धरली तर आपला स्टॉक किती व्हॅल्यू होतोय? 90. आता बघा, ज्यावेळेस 90%ने आपण दाखवतो त्यावेळेस आपला स्टॉक किती दाखवला गेला आहे? 30,600. देन फॉर 100 हाऊ मच? मग 100साठी किती? मग क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं येईल? 30,600 into 100 upon 90. We get rupees 34,000 for 100% valuation. Next, purchases from 1st April 2090 to 31st March 2020, rupees 1,22,000. So we will put here two purchases, 1,22,000. Sales from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020 rupees 1,80,000. So we will put here sales rupees 1,80,000 on the credit side of trading account. Moving to the next, stock on 31st March 2020 rupees 27,000. This is the closing stock, but it is 90% of cost. So again we will calculate it as opening stock. See here, by closing stock 27,000 into 100 upon 90, we get rupees 30,000 as closing stock. Now we will close this trading account. Total of credit side is rupees 2,10,000 and the difference between credit and debit is rupees 54,000. So we will put here to gross profit rupees 54,000. Now moving to the next step, we will calculate rate of gross profit. Here is the formula. Rate of gross profit is equal to gross profit upon sales into 100. Gross profit rupees 54,000. So we will write here rupees 54,000. Sales rupees 1,80,000 into 100. We get gross profit rate 30%. We get gross profit rate 30%. Now next step. In the third step, we will prepare memorandum trading account for the current year till the date of fire. Now the closing stock of previous year is the opening stock of current year. See here, the closing stock is rupees 30,000. So we will write here to opening stock 30,000. Next one, purchases from 1st April 2020 to 19th October 2020 rupees 1,47,000. So we will write here to purchases 1,47,000. Sales from 1st April 2020 to 19th October 2020 rupees 1,50,000. Here by sales rupees 1,50,000 at the credit side of memorandum trading account. After putting all these items, we have to close this memorandum account, but there is two missing figures, that is gross profit and closing stock. So we will calculate first gross profit. To gross profit, how we will calculate? Gross profit rate is 30% as we calculated in step number 2. That is 30% of sales. Here sales are rupees 1,50,000. So gross profit equal to 30% of rupees 1,50,000. We get rupees 45,000 as gross profit. Now we will close the memorandum trading account. The total of debit side is rupees 2,22,000 and the difference between debit and credit side is rupees 72,000. So we will write here by closing stock 72,000. This is the closing stock of memorandum trading account, means this is the closing stock on the date of fire. Now we will move at the next step, calculation of statement of claim. First of all, we will write here value of stock on the date of fire, that is rupees 72,000. Now we will subtract salvage stock. Here in this question, the stock saved was worth rupees 18,000. So here we will subtract salvage stock rupees 18,000. We get loss of stock rupees 54,000. Now in this problem they have mentioned average clause and the policy amount. So moving to the next step, application of average clause. Claim equal to insurance policy amount stock on the date of fire into actual loss of fire. Insurance policy rupees 63,000 which we have given into the problem. Stock on the date of fire rupees 72,000 which we have ascertained in the memorandum trading account as balancing figure. Memorandum trading account ला balancing figure म्हणून आपण stock on the date of fire 72,000 काढलेला आहे. Actual loss by fire. स्टेप नंबर 4 मध्ये आपण ही अमाउंट कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली आहे 54,000. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन we get claim amount rupees 47,250. Thank you.